Hi, this is Mike Lindsley with Blue Fox Group, and this is Tech Talk at the Blue Fox Bar. So I'd like to talk about innovative products that Meraki comes up with that actually solve a business issue that small businesses are facing. Today, I have with me Gary Geisler of Cisco Meraki. Will you introduce yourself and what you do for Cisco?
Sure. Yeah, Gary Geisler. I'm a technical solutions architect, and I work here at Meraki, and I support our product called SecureConnect.
We have challenges today in this world with hybrid workforces, how people connect to data, how they manage applications, the speed of that applications, security they're facing more so when they have to go to work from home, the cyber threats. There's all these challenges out there. On top of that, we have like legacy type networks like MPLS, all these little things we're facing. So Cisco comes up with a way to combat that. And the product is called SecureConnect. Gary, break it down for me. What is SecureConnect?
We saw that obviously there's a need for hybrid work. When I talk to customers, nobody's going full back in the office. There's a couple, but for the most part, nobody's going full back in the office. There's going to be some sort of form of hybrid work. And so we're looking for a way to address that and do it much easier and at scale with an easy platform. That's why we chose the Meraki platform to put SecureConnect into, is because people understand the value of the platform. It's easy to use, cloud managed. You don't have to have a ton of hardware to manage, to rack, stack, and power all this equipment. That's challenging to do. And so we did it as a cloud service, so we're doing it all as a service. No upgrades to do, no management overhead, and just easy ways to get users access to the internet when necessary, to the private applications when necessary, and then easy ways to just get all of your sites and people connected. And that's what SecureConnect does. And one great analogy we use at Cisco is like, you don't go to the faucet and look for like, oh, I want my water out of an iron pipe or a plastic pipe or a copper pipe, right? You just want to like get a glass of water. And so we're making it so you just like connect once and you get access to everything. That's how we make it easier for the end user.
That's super cool because we were talking with some people the other day that had their stuff hosted in a data center, and it's like, well, I have to go to like, use Google Docs for this, and I have to go click on the VPN for Citrix over here, then I have to do all this other stuff. There's just all these challenges where the users are just frustrated, right?
The end user experience matters now, right? Especially, not that it didn't before, but especially now with shortage of talent all the way around. If those end users are having trouble doing their work, what they do is they go somewhere else, right? Totally. And that's a cost center for a customer, right? That's a challenge for them. And so we have to make the end user experience as good as possible, while also allowing network admins, IT admins, and sometimes that's one person, sometimes that's groups of people, visibility and security, right? We have to put those two things together, and that's what we do in SecureConnect. Easy end user experience, easy admin experience, while wrapping security and connectivity around it.
I think you just nailed it again there. Like, that's a double checkbox, right? Because there is a burden on IT resources, right? Like, how do I manage this? There's an expectations for those guys to be experts in these fields. The C-level executives to go and say, figure this out. Why is it a problem, right? We want to be a best place to work, right? But if you don't have the right technology to enable those people, you're not going to check that box and they're going to leave. So, I love that you said that right there.
To the ease of management part of it, and I actually do a speed run video where actually I deploy a site, I turn on an application, I write policy for that, and I access that application. I do it live, and I do it in less than 3 minutes.
Whoa! We're actually nailing this solution, making it quick, leveraging cloud, leveraging innovation and technology. If you want to learn more about this and start a conversation with Blue Fox Group, we'd love to invite you into that. Hit us up at info@bfoxg.com. Thank you guys for listening today. Gary, thank you. Awesome to have you on here.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you.